How to add GIF on Messenger Notes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add GIFs on Messenger Notes. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, at the top left section, you'll see a small pop-up from your profile icon that says post a note. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, on this section at the middle, just below your profile icon, you'll see the option labeled as GIF. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the section where you'll see all the GIFs. Now here you can simply search for the GIF that you want to add on Note. And now here, once you've found that GIF, then you can just tap on it to select it. And here with that GIF, you can type what you'd like to add it with your Note. And once you're done with everything, you can just tap on share to share your GIFs on your Messenger Notes. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.